What is multivariate testing? Is there an example you can outline?
So multivariate testing is slightly different from A/B testing in the highest level sense that an A/B or ABN test gives you an eventual winner. You might take two or more variants of the page and it gives you an outcome of a single winner. With an MVT, or multivariate test, it's looking at the different elements you're changing on the page, if you are changing multiple things around, and looks at all of those and tries to find the best combination. So it's almost like different layers of A/B tests on top of each other, where we're looking for a series of outcomes or winners as opposed to a single winner or a single outcome. An example, I think, an easy example is probably a product page or a landing page, where you might have a button, a call to action, you might have some text, images, or maybe reviews you have on a product page, and you might want to test those things. And an MVT would allow you to test those things independently of each other and work out, again, what the best combination would be for you in terms of performance.
When would I choose to use a multivariate test over an A/B test?
So I guess in that exact scenario, if you think about wanting to find out what the best combination of those things would be, as I say, an A/B test is very static. It will just give you this variant beats this variant because it performs better against your metrics. With the MVT side of things, you can really dig into, well, which button color or which placement of the reviews worked best, which images worked best. And between those three things, you can work out, again, what the winning combination would be. And that's where your slightly more advanced analysis comes in compared to an A/B test. So I think when you're looking at making multiple changes on the page and you're looking to find the best combination, an MVT test will always trump an A/B test.
What is the value of a multivariate test?
So again, thinking about that exact example, an MVT will allow you to get to a place where you can answer those questions, again, much quicker, much more efficiently than you can by using A/B tests. If you start to think about testing 3 elements of a page, you start to think about how many variants you would have to run to work out what the winner is, you end up with a huge amount of variations of your page and you need a huge amount of traffic to be able to understand exactly what's happening there, or for it to reach a point of significance, if you like. So an MVT test comes in when there are multiple changes you want to make, and you don't just want to find a winner, you want to find a series of winners which will promote the best example or best experience from that particular page or feature.
What is the difference between full and fractional factorial?
So the difference between full and fractional. So again, take that example, take the example of changing a call to action, an image, and a review. If you work out how many combinations of your page you would have to run, you're talking in the region of 25 plus variations of the page. And no one's ever going to run A/B or ABN tests of every version. So that would be full factorial. Fractional factorial takes a subset of those 25 plus and works out with calculations in the background what the best combination would be. So you don't have to run every variation possible to still achieve an outcome of understanding what the best variations would be.